It's a key frame. Welcome back to Flight School. I hope everyone's New Year's resolution was to hit that like button, win free batteries, and learn some new Skydio skills, because today we're talking about KeyFrame. The KeyFrame skill allows you to build complex, multi-point flight paths. Skydio will then fly from point to point, smoothly interpolating between camera positions for awesomely mind-bending shots. Designing cinematic reveals with KeyFrame is easy, and even filming incredibly complex shots is now possible. KeyFrame is available when flying with the Skydio app, but we recommend connecting the controller for the best experience. You can find KeyFrame in the Cinematic section of the Skills menu. Navigate to the location that you would like Skydio to start from and the camera position you would like to start in, and add your first KeyFrame. Then, navigate to where you would like Skydio to fly, set your desired camera position, and add your next KeyFrame. You can repeat this process for up to 100 KeyFrames. Once all of your KeyFrames are set, you can fly your custom path, also known as a spline, either forwards or backwards by tapping the play button. Placing your initial KeyFrame close to your launch point will improve the accuracy of your flight path. KeyFrame paths set far away from your launch point may be less accurate. If you need to adjust your shot, you can edit any of your existing KeyFrames. First, tap a KeyFrame on the timeline and Skydio will snap to that point by quickly flying directly to it. Then, you can tap the Edit button to adjust the individual KeyFrame you are currently snapped to. While flying a KeyFrame path, you are able to adjust the speed at which your drone is traveling. In the Skills settings, you can also choose to fly in Free Look mode. Free Look will allow you to control the camera manually while Skydio autonomously flies the KeyFrame path. If you need to take control at any time, you can press the red X button. Your KeyFrames will be automatically saved. Use KeyFrame to choreograph unique shots of yourself, your friends, or the landscape, with the confidence that Skydio will smoothly nail the shot. Adjusting the speed while flying gives you the control to time your shots perfectly, specifically when filming moving subjects. Increasing the speed may affect the spline, so keep in mind Skydio will not fly the exact same path at two different speeds. If you want even more control over the framing of your shot, use the Free Look mode to manually control the camera movement while Skydio flies the spline autonomously. The Skydio app will automatically save your KeyFrames across flights. In order to fly the same spline, make sure you take off from the exact same position and exact same orientation as your previous flight. If you move your launch position, your KeyFrames will move too. After taking off, open the KeyFrame skill and go into the Settings menu. You will then see an option to load your previous KeyFrames. Well, I hope that was helpful. And remember, if you have any questions at all, you can text me directly at If you're still here, we're going to play a little game some of you may know called Confuse the Comment Section. Leave a comment featuring your favorite color, ice cream, and animal below. 3 apple fritters, 2 chocolates, cucumber. They kind of taste like a mix between a donut and a piece of bread, but they're like heavy but light. Had one of those. Maybe chips and, did I say a piece of pizza? Yeah.
I thought today was Taco Tuesday.
It was, and that's why I ate everything in sight.